And good evening, viewers. Thursday afternoon. I was planning to do another car video, but I wasn't planning on this. So yesterday, my daughter had a friend come visit, and I got home and I said, "Holy crap, what's pissed all over my driveway?" And the answer is a 91 Jeep Cherokee, driven by the aforementioned friend of my daughter. So once I found the obvious oil leak and fixed it, they were saying that, oh yeah, she's been making a lot of noise. Something's wrong with it. So I drove it down the driveway for a ride around the block, and I got halfway down the driveway and I put this sucker in reverse and said, "It ain't leaving the driveway because the flatbed won't be able to get to it in my crowded street." So after some noodling around and YouTubing, eliminating things like the flex plate, I just got under this thing and was going to check the U-joints, and let me tell you, you can't make this shit up. Take a look at this transfer case. So, yeah, what you're seeing is cracks. And no, that's not a feature. That's not a ventilation hole. That's the entire clutch plaque that's about ready to drop right out of the transmission. And over here, there's another, not a ventilation hole. And you can see the clutch pack in there. And there's, of course, no differential fluid, no nothing. So this thing makes one hell of a racket. So, original 91 tag there. So it looks like this old girl's done her best, and she's probably on her way to a junkyard very close to here very soon. So I sure ain't gonna buy a Jeep. So hope you all found that of interest, and I'll talk to you later.